Continuing the exercise 2A, part 2, question number 5. Translate each of the following into a mathematical statement using either a less than or a greater than sign. A temperature of -5 is colder than a temperature of 12. Now, a lot of information again, hence the name word problem, but it's pretty simple. You have to look at the numbers. What is the relationship between -5 and 12? I'm pretty sure that you know that by now that -5 is towards the left hand side of the numbers line, and since 12 is further towards the right, -5 is less than 12. Similarly, a gain of $200 is better than a loss of $120. So a gain of $200. Gain is always denoted by a positive sign, and loss is denoted by a negative sign. So 200 is greater than -120. Part C. A depth of 40 meters below the sea level is lower than the depth of 20 meters below the sea level. Both of these numbers are negative numbers. What is the relationship between -40 and -25? -40 is less than -25. Question number 6. Arrange each in ascending order. First one is -2, -6, 0, -60, and -90. Pretty simple. That is -90, -60, -6, -2, and then 0. Similarly, the part B, -1500, -1, 1, and then 2. Moving on to question number 7. Use a number line to illustrate each of the following. I'm going to do just one question, and then you need to revise the question and do part B, C, and D, all the other parts. Let's say we have -5, -2, 0, 5, and 3. They are represented using the number line as below. Similarly, part B, C. Now, what is part C? Integer greater than -4 and less than 2. These are -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. You can represent them on the numbers line. The set of integers between -2 and +6. What is between -2 and +6? We have -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So draw that on the numbers line. Last question. Question number 8. Fill in the boxes with greater or less than sign. What is the relationship between 8 and -8? Part B, -11 and -6. Part C is 0 and -2. Part D is -12 square and -200. So it's a bit tricky. You need to, first of all, you need to find out what is 12 square. And then you have to determine the relationship between the square of -12 and -200.